I would like first to thank Radio Romania for organizing this important meeting. Exchange of experience and exchange of know-how. It's always important, especially now in a time when media, and in particular public service media, are facing so many challenges. The topic of the conference is media and culture. There were excellent exchanges this morning about how media contribute actually to, especially public service media, how it contributes to culture, to innovation, to cohesion in society. We see in many countries now growing divisions within society, and public service media in their remit they are responsible to bring people together, to increase understanding and tolerance between people. So this is extremely good opportunity for professionals, media professionals, to exchange their experience, but also to brainstorm on common challenges and how we could overcome them. Public service media has really a very broad remit. Normally this mission, this remit of public service media is stipulated in legal frameworks or in charters throughout Europe. Here in Europe we have also a Council of Europe recommendations. In Europe we have also adopted 6 public service media core values, and these values are independence, diversity, universality, excellence, independence, and accountability. And we do all our best to adhere to these values. And culture is really a very important part within the remit of public service media. We have to reach out to every segment in society. We have to embrace everyone in the society, kids, disabled people, minorities, everyone in the society. And what would be best than celebrating together our common history, our common language, our common cultural heights, and culture is indeed a bridge of bringing society together. I would like first to congratulate Radio Romania for such an impressive anniversary. It means that this is so needed, this phenomenon, and radio and audio is so needed for the people that it survives so many decennias. And these are decennias of getting more and more experience, more and more insights, and more excellence. How many journalists started their careers from Romanian radio. So it is an impressive anniversary. And in such moment, of course, it is very normal that you learn from your past, but you're looking also in the future. And I would like to see a bright future for Romanian radio and audio, and a future which embraces even better young audiences and really make them listening more to a quality content which public service media offers. Media which embraces also new phenomena. We talked today a lot about artificial intelligence and how it could be integrated in the workflow and in the work of public service media. So I think that the future is bright if we are smart enough and we are devoted and committed enough to make it bright.